You know that all I want for Christmas is you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kyla here, aka Flower Gang. What's up? Oh, I'm so bad at making videos for you guys. I've been a little bit slacking. I'm sorry. It was finals week in school. You guys will understand if you're all in college. And today's video is pretty exciting, but I already know what is in my mystery box by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I did get this mini one for Thanksgiving, for his holiday mystery box, and I'm not gonna lie, I did watch his story when he explained what was gonna be in the mini. I honestly wasn't disappointed of what I was getting as the exclusive item. I know that he did a typo, so I'm not gonna hold anything against him, and I'm really glad I'm actually getting something different from his brand. I really do love Jeffree Star. I have a bunch of videos of Jeffree Star related on this channel. Oh, sorry guys, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, don't mind me. I literally am just filming this right now because I have time and I'm not tired because Kyla does not sleep. Okay, this is a really long intro, but if you guys do want to see this unboxing, please don't give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. We are so close to hitting 700 subscribers. This has been my goal for 2019. If you guys want to join my YouTube journey, I would love for you guys to subscribe. And I have so many Christmas themed videos for the rest of 2019 and for this holiday season, so yeah, I would love for you to join my little fam. And let's just jump right into this little unbox. So I got the little unboxed open. This is what it came with. It comes with tissue paper, which is green, and all I see I got were 2 lippies. I got in shade 818, and I got in Beauty Pageant, which is a lip ammunition. I already do have this one, so I'm actually going to put this in a giveaway for my 700 subscriber giveaway. And then this is the stickers that he was talking about that everyone got in the mini mystery box specifically. And basically this little mini box was for free because he gave us back our money for everyone who got a mini mystery box order. I was actually shocked when I got that email. I was so confused at first. I'm like, what the hell? Because I didn't have Wi-Fi, so I couldn't really check what the hell was happening, and I was texting my friends on this group chat that I'm in. And so yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna use these stickers for my computer, and I actually never had the shade soft 818, so I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch for you guys. Gotta make sure this is shaken up because it says 30 seconds before use. Oh, this is a pretty color. I know that this is from his summer collection, from the Thirsty collection. There's the shade, sorry, right there. It's really pretty. It's like a starfish color, very pretty. So to give my honest opinion, this box was cute. I did like what I received, and I have a new lipstick to play around with, and I'm really excited to use it. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas